Namaste dear children, welcome to class 2. In the previous class, I have discussed exercise part. In today's class, I will continue your exercise part. So, come to the page number 10. See here, heading understand grammar. Understand grammar. Sentences. Here, the definition of a sentence is provided. Or what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. Some sentences end with a full stop. See, sentences always begin with a capital letter. Some sentences end with a full stop. Not all sentences end with a full stop. Some sentences end with a full stop. And some other end with question mark, like that, or exclamatory mark. See example for one sentence here given. Mary sees a mouse near the plate of biscuits. This is the example for sentence. In this sentence, you may observe Mary, the first word, and in that first word Mary, M is capital letter, and at the end, after a plate of biscuits, full stop is here. Some sentences have questions, question marks. Questions have question marks. Exclamatory sentence have exclamatory marks. Those are also acts as a full stop, means end of the sentence. So here is ending with the full stop. Examples are below main question, H main question. Tick right the groups of words that are complete sentences. First one, two options. First question, two options. A, listens carefully. Here, who is listens carefully? Who is listening? Who are carefully listening? Who listens carefully? Question comes. It is not giving sense. ಅರ್ಥ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಲಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ವೆರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಮೇರಿ ಲಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. This is the right answer. Mary listens carefully. Who listens carefully? Mary listens carefully is a right option. So first question, A, B option, we have to tick. They have provided B is the right sentence, complete sentence, which gives complete sense. Second question, A option, Mary is playing. Second option, B, is playing. Look at B option, is playing. It is not giving a sense. Though, come to the A option, Mary is playing. So, second one, A option is correct. Mary is playing is complete sense or complete sentences. Complete sentence it is. Third one, A option, on a chair. B option, Mary sat on a chair. Look at these two options. On a chair. What is on a chair? Question comes. A option not giving sense or complete sentence. It is part of a sentence. It is not a complete sentence. Come to the B option. Mary sat on a chair. B option is giving complete sense and complete sentence it is. Mary sat on a chair. Whereas A option is on a chair. Come to the fourth question. A option. A mouse enters the room. B option, a mouse. See, B option, a mouse. A mouse? Yes, a mouse maybe. Which mouse it is, whatever it may be, but it is a name. A mouse, one mouse. What it mouse? It is not a sentence. It is a word it is. It is a name. It is a noun. A mouse. So, it is not a sentence. But whereas A option, a mouse enters the room. A is a correct sentence, complete sentence. We need to mark fourth one, A, tick right in front of A option. Fifth question, A option. It is a washing machine. It is a washing machine. B option, a washing machine. See, B option, a washing machine. What is washing machine? Washing machine is a washing machine, but is it a sentence? No, it is not a sentence. But whereas A option, it is a washing machine. There is one washing machine. This sentence is giving meaning, complete sentence. It is a washing machine. A option is correct. So, we need to tick A as a right mark. These are about examples for sentences. H main question. Next, I main question. Rearrange these words to make sentences. Begin each sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. First question, 3 Mary friends has. Jumbled sentence, jumbled words here, and they made one complete sense or complete sentence. Mary has 3 friends. And second one, first one is done for you, for us. Second one is we need to make. Aliyah at beach is the. These are words, jumbled words. We need to make sentence. Aliyah at beach is the. Aliyah is at the beach. This is a sentence. Aliyah is at the beach. This is the complete sentence, or this sentence we can frame using second option. Go to the third option. Is wearing a she hat. Is wearing a she hat. What sentence we can frame? She is wearing a hat. She is wearing a hat. This is the sentence we can form from these words. Next question, fourth one. Has made she a sand castle. Has made she a sand castle. What sentence we can make from these words? She has made a sand castle. See, beside this sentence, 1, 2, 3 questions, one girl is making. She is wearing a hat. She is making one sand castle. Sand castle she is making. So, she has made a sand castle. These sentences are related to the picture beside it. And fifth question. A is by her teddy side. This is the question. What sentence we can form from these words? See here, the noun is teddy. Teddy means teddy bear. The teddy bear is beside sand castle. Sand castle is the one she is making using sand. Beside sand castle, one teddy bear is there. Okay, teddy bear or teddy simply here in this question. Teddy. How many teddies are there? Single. One teddy is there. So, a teddy. A teddy is by her side. A teddy is by her side is the sentence we can frame using these words. Next, go to the sixth one, very easy one. Only 3 words. Is happy she. What sentence we can form? She is happy. This is the answer for sixth one. I hope you enjoyed the class. But we need to begin each sentence with a capital letter and end with a full stop. I will write these answers in my textbook and I will send a photocopy to your group. Children, take care of yourself. Be safe in home. Dhanyavad.